Hydrologists study how water moves through the environment, including rivers, lakes, and rainfall. They manage flood risks, protect water supplies, and support the environment by understanding how water behaves. They might work outdoors collecting data, or indoors using computer models to predict how water systems will respond to things like heavy rain or climate change. Hydrologists often work with engineers, scientists, and government agencies to help make important decisions about water use and safety. Hydrologists usually earn between £25,000 and £35,000 a year when starting out. With more experience, salaries can rise to around £40,000 or more, especially in senior roles or specialist positions. Those working in research, consultancy, or with environmental agencies may also earn higher pay depending on their level of responsibility and the size of the projects they work on. To become a hydrologist, most people study a subject like environmental science, geography, civil engineering, or geology at university. Some go on to do a master's degree to specialize further. Good maths and science skills are important, as well as being confident with computers and data. Experience through placements, volunteering, or graduate schemes can also help when applying for jobs in this field.